All right, so soil, pot, moist. My meringue seed is this simple, people. I'm doing it here in the pot because I want to train it. I want to watch it before I transplant it into the garden. Pop it, dig a hole, use your finger, use a screwdriver, whatever. Drop it in. See, there's my seed. Cover it up. I'm gonna keep it in a nice cool area. I don't want it drying out, but because you need to keep it moist. And hopefully I will have a little meringue tree coming up shortly. I wish I could stay with you to show you the entire process, but I promise you it is gonna grow. I've done this several times with things by cherry tree. I've had lots of different fruit trees that I just do that and just pop it in the dirt, and you just need to water it and take care of it. That's all there is to it, really. But I'm excited. I'll let you know if we talk again about my meringue. Sorry, look at me. See? Lots of allergy and stress, and oh, never mind that. Thank you, bye.